All right, guys, so I'm back. I just checked and I did have a technical service bulletin for this issue. And in that TSB, it did say that the holes on the back are supposed to go towards the bottom, so I did do that right. So I was looking at it, and it actually says, which is kind of interesting, is you're supposed to bend. First of all, what you're supposed to do, well, this one moved over. I was trying to clean it. Let me move that back. They want you to actually bend these, which I think is kind of strange, but hey, what the heck do I know, right? So they want you to bend these like this. And I have no idea what that does, but that's what they say. That's what Samsung says to do. Now, next thing is we got to get rid of this old thing. Let's see if I can cut it with scissors. I think I can. Might have to get some cutters out, but it's just thin aluminum. Should be able to just snip it, I would think. Well, maybe not. Get around that. Alright, let me go get some cutters and do this the right way.